Hello, everyone, and welcome to Learn a Trade. I am Kevin Tate, and today I'm going to be working on a 4-barrel FBD Slurpee machine. As you can see, I'm going to show you here. This unit has an error code on barrel number 2, which is this barrel right here. So that error code indicates that there's a issue with the temperature sensor. So right now I'm just gonna get everything set up to work on it, and then today for this we'll more than likely have to replace the temperature sensor on the number 2 barrel. And as you can see, when it has that error code, if the barrels continue to run, the unit will go into a hot product shutdown. So this one went into a hot product shutdown. So that's an indication that there's an issue due to the fact that we have a bad return temp sensor. So give me a moment and then I'll set this up and we'll get started. Okay, so now I have the front top panel off. I removed the side panels on the left side so that I can get to the wiring for the temp sensor. The temp sensor actually is located right back here where you can see back that white wire that's wire tied down on that return line. That's the sensor that I have to replace. This is the wire that it connects to, and as you can see, it says RTD on it. Let me turn that around so you can see it better. You can see it says return RTD, and it's a red wire. Most of the inlet side wires, they'll say inlet, and they'll be like a white wire like this, and they'll be labeled inlet. So now I'm going to set up to get in there to remove that return temp sensor and then put the new one in, and then I'm going to check the brix levels on each of these barrels just to make sure that the brix levels are good, and then see how it freezes down after that. Okay, so I got the old sensor is out. That's the old sensor. You can see where it got corroded and just pulled right out. This is the part number for the new temp sensor. And now I'm gonna put the new temp sensor in place. I'm gonna try to make it where you can see where I put it at, but it's a little bit of a squeeze. Give me a second here. See. Pull that back a little. So you just peel back the insulation, and then you can expose the return line there, and then the sensor piece clamps right over the line. Okay, now that's in place right there. Then I'll run that line over, and then I can connect it to to the other end, and then we should be able to start it up and see if we can get it freezing down. What I'm going to do is go ahead and tape up this area here so that it's fully insulated, and then we'll go from there. Okay, everyone, now I've got that all in place, got that line taped back up with the new sensor on it. I think I also took care of that issue that I had not getting into the service menu. So let me try it again. I'm going to scroll through the service menu, press the blank button on the left side, and then that should bring me into my settings. Now I can go to readouts and then press the green button for readouts. That's barrel 1. I want to look at barrel 2's temperatures right now. Tank pressure is at 28. Syrup pressure is at 69. Return temp is 77 right now. Inlet temp is reading 97. So let me see what we get here. Put this barrel into freeze mode. I just want to see if I get my return temp should start going down. Okay, return temps still not going down, and it looks like I have an inlet temp sensor problem also. So let me just set that up, and then we may have to replace the inlet sensor as well. Give me a second to check it out, and then we'll set it up. Okay, so I have that new inlet sensor in place. I haven't plugged it in yet because I just wanted you to see how this how the inlet temp is reading 97 because they had a bad sensor in it. So once I plug it in, that's why I wanted to get to the readouts so that I could be able to show you this. Give me a second. Got to put the phone where you can see. Sorry about all the movement. So this is the inlet plug that goes to the board, to the main board, and this is the sensor that I just finished putting in. So I'm going to connect those up. Okay, and now take a look at the temperature now, and then when I go to start this barrel, I'll go ahead and put this barrel in run mode, and then let it freeze down, and then as it's freezing, you'll be able to see those numbers going down. That's letting you know that sensor is working. And now as I go over to the return side, will start going down in a little while. In a little bit, the sensor's got to kick in for that side. There it goes. Starting to go down now. So I'm going to go ahead and let those freeze down, and then we should be good to go after this. But I'm going to just give it a few moments to let these barrels start freezing. Okay, so I have that barrel freezing down. I had that barrel freezing down, but it didn't sound right to me. I heard a little squeaking as the barrel was freezing down. So I also meant to check the brix on those flavors, because one of those flavors is a sugar-free flavor. So I took the brix of that flavor. It's excuse it's a dragon fruit flavor. So I took the brix, and it was way too low. So they had adjusted it too low. So right now I stopped that barrel from freezing down, and then I checked the brix, which was way too low. So I adjusted the brix up, and now I got to empty that barrel out and then let it refill with the correct mixture, syrup, the water mixture. So the other barrel is a Coke flavor, which was at a good it had a good brix on it. So I started that one up, and it's freezing down now. So right now I just gonna get my bucket so I can empty out those barrels, and then we'll be able to let that other barrel, the dragon fruit flavor, let that barrel freeze down, and then we should be good. Okay, so you can see now I have that first barrel is frozen down already. That's the Coke. The second barrel is the one I was talking about that had an issue with the brix level on it. So I have that all adjusted right now, and it's freezing down. I'm at 37 degrees on the inlet side right now, and on the return, I'm at 22. So I'm going to go ahead and let that finish freezing down, and then we should be all set after that. Okay, so all barrels are frozen down now. The unit is back in operation. You see that dragon fruit froze down very good, and the Coke froze down good also. So we should be all set. This is the finished product. Came out good. So I would say we're all set with this. We replaced two sensors, inlet sensor and a return sensor. And I hope this was helpful to you. Thanks a lot for watching, and we'll see you on the next job.